Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. I wanted to go over this statistics resource that is available through the Canadian government. It's actually titled Statistics Power from Data. Chapter 1 goes into data, statistical information, and statistics, two sources of data, and then going into data gathering and processing, and then in 4, data exploration, and then 5, finally, data visualization. So it ends up with a bibliography glossary. One I wanted to focus on is the data gathering, data processing that is going on here. How to do that, this is actually divided up into 7 areas, 8 sections. So there's, of course, there's a planning process, and I think this figure summarizes it well. But there's then collection, data processing, and then estimation. So when you're thinking about the different steps, just think about collection, processing, and estimation. So under collection, under the umbrella of collection, think of sampling, collection, questionnaire, but even think about the interviewers. And data processing, think about coding, capture, edit, imputation, linkage, and then estimation, weighting, variance estimation, and adjustments. There's a lot of different interesting segments to this, but spend a little bit of time in sampling because there truly are quite a few methodological sampling styles which can provide with further insight as to how to do research. So establish the survey's objectives, define the target population, decide on the data to be collected, set the level of precision, and then look at the sample design. So there's 5 steps to that. Determining what the survey population will be, choosing the most appropriate survey time frame, survey units, sample size, sampling method. So survey population, what is the observed population, sampling frame, and then survey units, and then finally sampling size. So mainly, if you think about the types of sampling methods, I want to kind of end with this. There is probabilistic sampling and non-probabilistic sampling. And so just the difference is that, between them is that in probabilistic sampling, every unit has a probability of being selected and that can be quantified. But in non-probabilistic sampling, you can't really do that. These are some of the main types of considerations. You can explore this book way more in depth. Here's all the topics. I'm kind of scrolling down through them really quickly. Even measures of central tendency, data exploration. This goes into some really nice statistics. Measures of dispersion. Variance is very important. But then going into the visualization, bar charts, pictographs, pie charts, line graphs, etc. So definitely explore this, take some time, and try to learn some of the concepts. Thank you for listening.